Hey y'all, I am here in the pantry. Very messy, very unorganized pantry. When we moved here, we have all these plans and we walked through and we made a list of all the plans and kind of a timeline. And one of the main things we had to do was the painting the walls, obviously. But like big things was the fence outside, and we're almost done with the fence, as you can see in my last video. We're the first two fields are the front fields, and that was our goal. We will work towards getting the backfield ready to go throughout the winter or fall and winter, because there's a lot of cleanup to do on those fence rows, pulling down fence, cutting trees down kind of thing, and doing different things like that and figuring out how we actually want to fence that in. So that'll be a slow process through the winter time. But next on our list after the fence is done is the pantry. And what I want to do tonight is to take an inventory of what I have and kind of what I need from this pantry. And then hopefully Joseph and I can like draw out some plans or something. We already have a few ideas that we want to do, but it's going to be, we just need it way more, sturdy, way more, there's a lot of wasted space. Let's get to it. I bet Joseph does not know that we have these. And they're in date. Did he buy these and not tell me? I bet he eats those when he finds out. Does not belong in here. Cute, but it does not belong here. Okay. If you don't have a canned tomatoes, that you've done on the farm, we've just started, so we don't have canned tomatoes. We didn't have a big enough harvest. I'm not good at the canning yet. So next year, that is one of my goals, is to can a lot of tomatoes, plant a lot of tomatoes, get a lot of tomatoes, and can a lot. See, but for now, I'm doing nice tomatoes from Sam's, GMO. We really don't have much in here. Oh, looks like a double on here. Here. Let's go with my. So now we're done, and I'm gonna go make my spreadsheet, and I'm going to figure out what I'm gonna do next. If y'all have any advice on how to organize our pantry, any tips and tricks that y'all have learned along the way, so we're about to do this remodel of the pantry, we would love any advice you have. So just put it down in the comments. Thank y'all so much for your support. Like and subscribe to see the full project and the freezer inventory. Manage this chaos.